Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hoagie1685 here. We're going to do a little LED upgrade to my license plate lights and also to the cargo lights up top. So we're going to go ahead and put the Auxbeam LEDs in. Hot. So there you go. In 20 seconds, you can have 20 seconds each. You can have a really nice 6000K bright white LED license plate lights. Now we're going to go up and do the cargo lights. There you go, guys. LED upgrade by Auxbeam. I'm really happy with them, they look great. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out Auxbeam. And also check out Shifted Interests on the YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks a lot.